Hi folks, welcome back to the B-29 restoration project. Here in the table, you see we've got both of the wing panels again. It's just a whole lot of rinse and repeat, so I'm not gonna do a whole lot with this video other than just kind of say the top of the left outer wing panel is glassed. It's got the peel ply on it. I'm getting ready to do the same thing to the right one. There's a couple little things that I do, or that I have done a little differently with these, especially out towards the wingtip out there. The big thing is I put an extra layer of glass around the wingtip itself and then about the last 8 to 12 inches of the wing. And the main reason for doing that is just to add a little bit of ding resistance, since most likely the wingtip out here is going to be what's going to get banged up on stuff more so than the root down there where your hands and face is going to be. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll just time lapse this thing or speed it up or something so it's not ridiculously boring. Well, folks, there we have it. Both of the outer wing panels for the B29 are all fiberglass. They got their layer of peel ply on, and now it's just a matter of letting them cure for about 24 hours. Then we can pull this peel ply off, trim the edges, and these will be ready to go in storage until I'm ready to use them for the center section repairs. It's a couple things I very lightly showed in the video. I held up a piece of fiberglass and I kind of put my hand in front of it. What it's doing is, or what I was showing in that video is, the weave orientation of the glass was 45 degrees to the length of the strip. And what that does is when you put it on your like a curved section like I did here on the wingtip, you can pull on the corners of it and it'll actually distort to where it'll wrap around compound curves a lot nicer. So I did that here for the wingtip. I carried it on to about this far down the wingtip. So that's giving you almost 3 layers of fiberglass here at the wingtip to help with a lot of that handling damage from just hanger rash and banging it on stuff that is inevitably going to happen. You also see 2 layers of fiberglass on the tops of the nacelles here. Again, that's just to add a little bit of rigidity to these areas because there's only 3 bulkheads, and really there's 1 bulkhead about a third of the way back, and then there's nothing until the last 5 to 10% of the length of it. So not a whole lot of structure in there to prevent you from busting open all that strip planking. So 2 layers of glass actually helps reinforce that area a good bit. So for now, that's all I got. I'll probably not gonna do another video for trimming this thing. Really, it's the same thing that I showed just a few minutes, or on another video that'll be out here in a couple of hours or days or whatnot. But anyways, until I get the fuselage out, y'all have a great day.